Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In this video, we will deal with certain numericals in the calorimetry and change of state concept. So first, type 1 numerical. See, 5 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Final temperature of the mixture is. Okay. So first you write like this. First step you want to do is you want to write like this separately. 5 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Next, both the side you must convert it into water at 0 degrees Celsius. So second step is convert it into water at 0 degrees Celsius. So I am converting 5 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. This side I am converting 1 gram of steam at 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Then I am converting it into 1 gram of water at 0 degree Celsius. So both the side I have converted. Next you want to find the heat. So here ice is converted to water, temperature is same, so Q is equal to ml. For change of phase it is ml, for change in temperature it is mc delta T. So mass of ice is 5 gram into latent heat of ice is 80 calorie per gram Celsius, so it is 400. This side 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, and phase is changed, steam to water, so ml. So 1 gram of steam into latent heat of ice is 540 calorie per gram Celsius, so that is 540 calories. Next, water is converted to water, same phase is there, but temperature 100 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, so change in temperature, so mc delta T. So 1 into specific heat capacity of water is 1 calorie gram per Kelvin in gram per Celsius into delta T is 100 minus 0, which is 100. So this side totally it is 400 calories, this side it is 640 calories. So the steam has 640 calories, which is greater than this 400 calories. So steam can completely melt ice. Steam can completely melt ice, and the difference between them is 640 minus 400, that is equal to m into c into delta T. Let it be T. Okay, this is 240 and m is the total mass of the mixture. Total mass of the mixture is 5 gram of ice plus 1 gram of steam, that is 6 into, now the ice is completely melted, so it will be water. So C of water, that is 1 into T. So T is 40 degree Celsius. So this is the resultant temperature. Now let us see the type 2 numerical. 100 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius. So 100 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius, we are mixing with 10 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. So first convert it into water at 0 degree Celsius. So 100 into change in, there is no change in temperature, so change in phase is there, so m into L. L of ice is 80, so 8000 calories. Here you are converting it to 10 gram of steam, 10 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Then you are converting that into 10 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. So steam is converted to water at 100 degrees Celsius. So m into latent heat capacity of steam is 540, so 5400. Next, water is at 100 degrees converted to 0 degrees Celsius, so mc delta T, since change in temperature is there, so 10 into specific heat capacity of water is 1 into delta T is 100, so this is 1000 calories. So this side totally 8000 calories and this side it is totally 6400 calories. Okay, so see that the steam's total heat value to convert to 100 to water at 0 degrees Celsius is less than this 8000 calorie, that is that heat required to convert ice into water. So you cannot completely convert ice into water. Some amount of ice is remaining. Okay, some amount of ice is remaining. So if ice is remaining, ice temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So the resultant temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the second type of numerical. Now let us see the third type of numerical. 80 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius. So 80 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius is poured on a large block of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Mass of the ice that melt. Let us assume that large block of mass be m. So m gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius. So first convert it into water at 0 degrees. Okay, it is initially 30 degree that we are converting it into water at 0 degrees Celsius. So 80 into change in temperature. So m into c into delta t. So 2400 calories. Next, m gram of ice. So that you are converting into m gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. So Q is equal to ml. So m into 80. Okay. Now you equate those two things. 2400 is equal to 80 into m. So mass is 30 gram. So this is the amount of ice that melts. This is the type 3 numerical. I hope you like this lecture. In the next video, we will see the next type of numericals in the change of phase concept. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Pathashala. In the next video, we will see the next type 4 types of numericals. Thank you.